Good morning, students. Today we start the new lesson, that is the how do organism reproduce. So first of all, I want to tell you what is reproduction with the help of a question, that what is reproduction, write its significance. Reproduction may be defined as the phenomena, biological phenomena in which the organism can produce like its own organism. It is a reproduce. So what is its significance for the question array? Why do organism reproduce? It is important for the continuity of life. For example, if there is a life, if the death may occur of the organism and new life is not coming, then ultimately life may be end. So this is the phenomena for the continuity of life. So why do organisms reproduce? Here we can see for the continuity of life, reproduction is the fundamental characteristic of the life. Fundamental characteristic of the life. Reproducing organism create new individual that look very much like themselves. जैसा कि डायग्राम में या फ्लो चार्ट में मैंने आपको दिखाया है कि एक ऑर्गेनिज्म अपने जैसे ही और ऑर्गेनिज्म बनाते हैं, इस फिनोमेना को हम रिप्रोडक्शन कहते हैं। और ये रिप्रोडक्शन इस दुनिया में कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ लाइफ के लिए बहुत ही जरूरी है। तो इन दिस चैप्टर वी स्टडी अबाउट द डिफरेंट मोड्स ऑफ द रिप्रोडक्शन। ऑर्गेनिज्म लुक सिमिलर बिकॉज देयर बॉडी डिजाइन आर सिमिलर। अब यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन राइज होता है, जैसे मैंगो प्लांट है तो उसके मैंगो ट्री के मैंगो फ्रूट्स ही आते हैं। ऐसा तो नहीं होता कभी आपने देखा हो कि एप्पल फ्रूट्स आ जाएं। तो ये सिमिलर कैसे हैं? ये भी प्लांट्स में भी लाइफ होती है और एनिमल्स में। ऑर्गेनिज्म वर्ड हियर यूज फॉर एवरी लाइफ, इट मे बी प्लांट, एनिमल, माइक्रोब्स एटसेट्रा। सो हियर द क्वेश्चन है, ऑर्गेनिज्म लुक सिमिलर बिकॉज देयर बॉडी डिजाइन आर सिमिलर। तो वो ऑर्गेनिज्म सिमिलर क्यों है? क्योंकि उनका बॉडी सेम होती है। इसलिए जैसे कि अगर आप किसी फील्ड में जाइए तो आप देखेंगे फील्ड में सभी क्रॉप्स प्लांट्स एक सी होंगी, वो क्लोन होंगे, मार्फोलॉजिकली एंड जेनेटिकली बिल्कुल आपको सिमिलर नजर आएंगे। मार्फोलॉजिकल एंड if a body design are to be similar, the blueprints for these designs should be similar। तो इसमें क्या होता है कि उनकी बॉडी डिजाइन सिमिलर होता है, ब्लूप्रिंट उनका सिमिलर होता है। जैसे कि हम किसी भी चीज की कार्बन कॉपी, पहले आपने तो नहीं देखा होगा, आजकल फोटोस्टेट का टाइम है, पहले टाइम के अंदर क्या होता था कि अगर हम कोई भी वर्ड नीचे उसके नीचे कार्बन लगा देते थे तो उसके जो वर्ड हम फर्स्ट पेज में लिखते थे वो नीचे आ जाते थे। इसको हम ब्लूप्रिंट्स ऑफ द लाइफ, नहीं तो ब्लूप्रिंट ऑफ द लाइफ इज द डीएनए। Blueprint of life is DNA. Blueprint of the life is DNA. So how we can see DNA the blueprint of life? Here I want to tell you that the phenomena of central dogma of molecular biology। DNA से और DNA बनना, और फिर DNA से RNA बनना, और RNA से by the process of translation proteins are formed। As you know, proteins are the body building substance। Therefore, we can say reproduction involves making copies of the blueprint of body and how they form which type of the DNA, that type of proteins are formed. Which type of the DNA are present in the organism, that type of proteins are formed. So their body design are similar. So their body design are similar. So their body designs are similar. Yes, as they have shown that all the informations are present in the chromosome. As you know, in the lower classes also, that in a human being there are 23 pair of chromosomes are present. The chromosomes are responsible for transmission of characters from parents to children. Chromosomes are made up of DNA and proteins. And what are genes? Genes are the segment of a DNA. Therefore, we can say chromosome is made up of genes. Genes consist of DNA, which is made up of 4 chemical letters, that is adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, etc. Adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, etc. The DNA is the main part of the cell. The DNA in the cell nucleus is the information source for making protein. Therefore, from these discussion, we can see that DNA in the cell nucleus is the information source for making protein. If the information is changed, different proteins will be the made, and different proteins will eventually lead to alter the body design. So therefore, we can say DNA is important for the body design। अगर डीएनए में कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन चेंज हो जाती है, उससे अलग प्रोटीन्स बनेंगे और अलग प्रोटीन्स बनने से बॉडी डिजाइन चेंज हो जाएगा। देयरफॉर वी कैन से द DNA is the body design. DNA is the blueprint of the life. DNA is the blueprint of the life. Next. Concept one here, the basic event in the reproduction is creation of the DNA copy. तो इसमें हम देख सकते हैं कि बेसिक इवेंट जो रिप्रोडक्शन का है वो क्या है, क्रिएशन ऑफ द डीएनए कॉपी. तो डीएनए से और डीएनए बनना इंपॉर्टेंट है. सेल यूज केमिकल रिएक्शन टू बिल्ड द कॉपीज ऑफ देयर डीएनए and therefore we can say that yes, here I want to show that cell use chemical reaction to build the copies of their DNA. Here they have shown the DNA form a semi-conservative mode of DNA replication. The process of formation from DNA to DNA is called replication. Here there is a semi-conservative mode of replication as you see in the diagram. Therefore, there are the one DNA in the first part, and after that it forms the two copies. First remains parental and the other part is formed new. Therefore, here I use the word semi-conservative mode of DNA replication. This creates two copies of DNA in the reproducing cell, and they will need to be separated from each other. DNA copying is accompanied by the creation of an additional cellular apparatus, effectively a cell divide to give rise to two cells. Here you can say a prokaryotic of the bacterial cells in which DNA replicate, two copies of DNA are formed. Copies are attached to the membrane. As the membrane wide copies separate from each other and the DNA replicate and two bacteria are formed. Concept टू क्रिएशन ऑफ डीएनए कॉपी ब्रिंग वेरिएशन. अब जैसा कि आपने देखा कि एक डीएनए है उसके आगे दो डीएनए बन रहे हैं, तो हाफ डीएनए पेरेंटल रहता है और हाफ डीएनए नया बनता है. तो उसमें क्या होता है, कुछ चेंज आ जाता है, एरर इन डीएनए कॉपी, और उस चेंज को हम वेरिएशन कहते हैं. जैसा कि आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि जो पेरेंट्स होते हैं और बच्चे होते हैं उनमें स्मॉल डिफरेंसेस होते हैं. द स्मॉल डिफरेंसेस शोन बाय द पेरेंट्स टू द ऑफस्प्रिंग. स्मॉल डिफरेंसेस शोन बाय द पेरेंट्स टू ऑफस्प्रिंग इज कॉल्ड variation. Here the question is what is variation? Write its significance. Variation increase the chances of survival of an organism. As a result, DNA copying generated will be similar but may not be identical to the original. तो ये बिल्कुल ओरिजिनल के आइडेंटिकल नहीं होते, but it may not be successful every time. Some of these variation might be drastic. कई बार variation है वो harmful भी होते हैं और कई बार useful भी. That the new DNA copy cannot work with the cellular apparatus it inherits. Such a newborn cell will simply die. Such a newborn cell will be simply. This inbuilt tendency of variation during reproduction is the basis of evolution. इसके बाद gradual modification in an organism from simple to complex is called evolution. जैसे कि आप आगे heredity and evolution के चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे, तो evolution का जो बेस है वो variation है. Surviving cells inherit similar body design but some are different from each other. Let us recall a basic event in reproduction is the creation of a DNA copy which brings variation. Creation of DNA copy brings the variation. DNA copying is essential. Here the two questions arise. Today I will give you the two questions. What is the importance of DNA copying in reproduction? Why is variation beneficial to the species but not necessarily for the individual? तो जो वेरिएशन है एक स्पीसीज के लिए बेनिफिशियल है पर एक इंडिविजुअल के लिए नहीं. तो ये भी आपके ये 10th एनसीईआरटी बुक के एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चंस हैं. आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट कांसेप्ट वी स्टडीड बेसिक इवेंट इन रिप्रोडक्शन इज द क्रिएशन ऑफ डीएनए कॉपिंग. डीएनए कॉपिंग एक बेसिक इवेंट है, इफेक्टिवली ए सेल डिवाइड टू गिव राइज टू two cells. DNA copying is accompanied by the creation of an additional cellular apparatus. We studied creation of DNA copying brings variation. Population of the organism fill the niche. Here, what is the meaning of niche? The meaning of niche is the functional role of an organism in the ecosystem. Functional role of an organism to an ecosystem using their ability to reproduce. Using their ability to reproduce. So niche is the functional role. It depends upon the constitution of DNA copying and maintenance of the body design. Reproduction is linked to the stability of the population of a species. Maintenance of body design features that allow the organism to use that particular niche. Stability of population or species depends on the niche of the organism. If the organism survive well in the environment, he or can reproduce more. Niche may change due to environmental factor. अब environmental factors के कारण क्या होता है, किसी का भी function change हो सकता है. If there were a population of bacteria living in temperate water, and if the water temperature were to be increased by global warming, most of these bacteria would die, but the few variant resistant to heat would survive and grow further. Global warming takes long time to come in effect, maybe of 30 years, so surviving bacteria must have passed through the successive variation over generations. Here we can see the diagram of the bacteria also. Variation is useful for the survival of the species over the time. Variation during reproduction is the basis of evolution. Next generation bacteria pass through the variation in such a way that they will be able to cope up with the increased temperature because they have inherited change body design during the process of DNA copying over generation. Variation is beneficial to the species but not necessarily for the individual. This is the question I have asked. The change in environmental condition is a long-term procedure, so variation is not compulsory for the survival of an individual. But to survive with the changed environment condition, an organism have to pass through successive variations over generation at its species level. Slowly, the inherit some changes in the body design during the process of DNA copying over generation, finally able to survive as a variated species. Let us recall reproduction is linked to the stability of the population of. अगर population ज़्यादा stable होगी तो ज़्यादा reproduction होगी और variation is useful for the survival of the species. What is importance of DNA copying in reproduction? And write the importance of variation. These are the two questions for your worksheet. And after that, in case of animals, in case of plants, process of reproduction. You can understand it well now. Thank you.